Tired of inventory chaos and sales numbers all over the place? Let's clean it up by adding new items into Peachtree. To start, open your Peachtree accounting software. Look for the Inventory and Services Navigation Center and click on the Inventory Items icon. This opens the Inventory Items window now. Click on the new button at the top of the screen. A new window will pop up. It's the Maintain Inventory Items window first. Enter a unique and descriptive item ID in the item ID field. This will help you easily identify and track this item later on. Now, fill in the description field. Be specific. Include any details that will help you differentiate this item from similar ones. Select the appropriate General Ledger GL sales account from the drop-down menu. This tells Peachtree where to categorize the revenue from sales of this item. Enter the unit cost. This is what it costs you for this product or service. And finally, add the unit price that you sell the item at. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review everything to make sure it's accurate. When you're confident, click the Save button. Congrats! You just created a new inventory item in Peachtree.